Hello guys, my name is Carol and I, along with my partner Manogna, have developed an IoT application as part of our theme-based project. The name of our application is SheSafe. Yes, as you've already inferred from the title, that this project is all about promoting the safety of women. Violence against women is a gruesome act and it is a violation of human rights. 1 out of 3 women have been sexually assaulted or physically abused once in their lifetime. This data has been collected from the World Health Organization. So, what is SheSafe? SheSafe is an IoT based service which allows the wearer to send her location details and instant messages to the concerned authorities and her guardians with just the press of a button. The hardware components required are Arduino Uno, breadboard, push button, resistor, jumper wires, and Arduino USB cable. The software components are Arduino IDE, Node-RED, Twilio, OwnTracks app, and Web Apps Azure. Make sure that your Node-RED is installed locally in your computer. This is the circuit where we've connected the push button to the Arduino IDE, which is in turn connected through the USB cable to our laptop. I will put this link down in the description below and you can go check it out and see how we've connected the push button to the Arduino Uno. Now these are the nodes which were used in Node-RED for simulating the setup. These are the nodes which we have installed in our Node-RED and I will put their links in the description as well. Now the process is a 3-step process. The person who is in distress or the victim will press the panic button. This panic button, when pressed, will access her location details. And after accessing the location details, an SMS will be sent to the concerned authorities and guardians of her whereabouts. These are the Node-RED flows. My partner Manogna will explain them in detail. As you can see that our Arduino Uno has been connected to the Node-RED by the use of a protocol called Fermata. After pressing the button, the location details will be accessed as you can see in this flow and an SMS will be sent to the concerned authorities. We've made use of MQTT protocol here and Twilio will send the message to the phone. The demonstration will be demonstrated by Manogna.
In this demo, we will see the implementation of the project that we have discussed earlier. So first, basically we will connect the Arduino USB cable from laptop to the Arduino board. After the connection is done, open a new sketch and do the entire coding that is required for your Arduino to run. After the coding is done, then press the upload button which is present above the sketch, and then after the uploading is done successfully, we can see the message saying done uploading below. After this is done, open your command prompt and type a command saying node-red so that the Node-RED interface is directly opened onto Google Chrome. After this is done, open your Google Chrome and see that the button press which is the Arduino Uno node has a status saying connected, which is connected to the condition node and the message.payload. These both nodes are connected so that the output is verified as 1. And here the link out node is connected to the flow 8 by the link in node. Link in node is in turn connected to the location publisher and which is connected to the location subscriber through Mosca MQTT broker, which gives the location. After the location is reached, it is sent to Carol in case of mine. In case of the victim, it will be sent to guardians or respective authority people through SMS. And in the flow 6, we have used webhook relay node so that it takes the precise latitude and longitude values of the victim from the OwnTracks app. Now this encrypts the location so that no one else can access it, and this is decrypted by the OwnTracks app, and this is again sent to the world map and the tracks so that we will get the location pictorially. Once we deploy this says connected. After this is connected, press the button. Hope you guys have heard the button that I have pressed. And we can see here that the output which is generated by the button press node is 1. After this is generated, go to localhost colon port number, in my case it is 1880 / world map, so that I can get the precise locations of the victim pictorially. This blue color line is the geofence, which can be adjusted according to the requirement and get the precise location. And as the button is already pressed, as I have sent the message to Carol gets the message of my latitude and longitude, as well as the link of web app Azure, which contains the contact details, which will be shown further. Thank you. Hope you like this video.
Here is the output after deploying the flow. As you can see that by the world map node, we have the victim's location. And since Manogni deployed the flow, I get a message in my phone about her whereabouts and a link. And if I open the link, I get her location and her latitude and longitude coordinates, as well as I can access the emergency contact numbers. Thank you.